Hello everyone, I am Clever Fly, and this column Clever Fly's advice. And advice to you today: cut back from 1 hour meeting. No one likes meetings, especially the longest ones. Focus on meetings to be 30 minutes max. It keeps things concise and efficient. You to take one of your 1 hour long meetings, and I want you to cut it in half. So, do you feel like sometimes that your time is being wasted in overly long meetings that can be accomplished a little bit quicker and still have the same outcome? Summarize your updates. So a lot of meetings have a section where people are giving updates about what's going on. Again, we can use the agenda to really streamline that process by asking people to summarize the update in advance. You know, a couple of battle points in that meeting's agenda. First is to use parking lots. So a parking lot is a part of your meeting's notice where you put things that you deliberately decided not to talk about the important. Recording a video before the meeting helps you too. You can cut out that entire presentation piece and actually give people more of opportunity to think about how they're reacting to it by sending an advance in form of a video. I hope this may help you. Please comment on the console, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my helpful advice from Cleverfly. Good luck!